Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the diversity of angiosperms. Now, angiosperms are the flowering plants that are classified based on different characteristics. Now, uh, in broad sense, we can divide them into two major groups. One is called monocot and the other group is called as dicots. Now, other than this one, there are some other differences between these two groups. They are also present, including the structure of their cotyledons, the structure of their pollen grains, then flowers, vascular tissues arrangements, and some other structures, including the leaves. Now, when we talk about the detail of the diversity of angiosperms, the difference between monocot and dicot is that out of the embryo of monocot, a single cotyledon comes out, as you can see here, while when we talk about the dicots, dicots have two cotyledons. And when we talk about the leaf structures, monocots, they have narrow leaves and their veins are parallel to each other, while dicots, they have broader leaves and those leaves have network of veins running through them. Then when we talk about the vascular tissues, these dicots have vascular bundles. They are arranged in a beautiful ring, while in monocots, these vascular bundles, they are scattered throughout their stem. Now, when we talk about the flowers of monocots, their parts are either 3 or multiple of 3, while dicots flower parts are multiple of 4 or 5. So these are the major differences which result in the formation of two major groups within the angiosperms. Now, about 1/4 of the angiosperms, they are monocots. They do not contain any woody tissue. Rather, dicots, they can be herbaceous or they can be woody, big giant trees, and have their vascular tissues that forms a unique specific ring as compared to the monocots. So overall, there is a huge diversity which is found within the angiosperms